Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, let's take a look at the Forex market. So on the euro currency today, you can see nothing's happening, and actually it seems that we were correct, that market indeed starts preparation to European Central Bank meeting. Nobody wants to take any significant positions, and today we see even narrow price action compared to the yesterday. And yesterday already it was the situation where not much to discuss was on the market. That's why today we take a look at the Great British Pound. It's our second setup that we talked about in the weekly report. Here is also minor progress, but still we could discuss the possible action within the 1-2 sessions. First of all, on the daily chart, we can see that reaction on the resistance, as market has met on Friday within this overbought area, was not as strong as we have suggested. So if you remember in our weekly report, we said, well, it will be nice if market will show at least 30% support. Maybe Jod Napoli patience will be formed, bread and butter. In particular, we could use it for position taking. Also, this was a chance to get deep retracement, just because this is first upward bullish reversal swing. So because take a look, this is downward swing, and this upward swing is greater than this one. And this is first upward swing calls as a reversal one, and usually when the market forms reversal swing, it shows deep retracement, as a rule in the shape of the ABCD pattern. It's not always, but it happens very often. But you can see on Monday we've got different price action, so we suggest minor pullback here, shy reaction, and right on Monday we have the bullish reversal candle. So take a look, market creates the new low, but close above the recent top. So this is very strong price action. And what is also interesting is that with this price low, market hasn't reached the first FIB support. So 30% support has not been hit. So its reversal was prior to the reaching of this major FIB level. This is bullish sign, and market right now hits overbought again, and since then stands in a flat action. So forming inside sessions, tight consolidation here. But this price action puts the foundation for the possible upward continuation. In such circumstances, I would not consider taking the short positions by far, and it seems that more probable that market will start any retracement from the confluence. So we thought that will be first target, but it seems that market right now is coming to this level directly, and maybe retracement will start after it will be reached. So that's our one of our targets that we talked about in the weekly report. This is a confluence around 125. It also will be accompanied by the daily overbought. So that's probably the target level where market is going right now. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we have two moments that could be important. First of all, since this upward action was really very straight and fast, we do not have some moderate ABCD patterns. The one ABCD that we have is only based on the whole thrusting action. So you can see we have this ABC bottom. Nearest target of this pattern, thrusting action very strong, stands at the COP, it's 24.76. So this is actually creates agreement with this one, because this lower level is 24.67. So our COP stands precisely in the middle of this confluence resistance. So that's also be an agreement. And currently I think that we could use it as the possible target of the short-term action this market is coming to. So that's the level that we will keep an eye on. Price action here reminds kind of the bullish dynamic pressure, because you could see that trend has turned bearish here. You can see the market is forming high lows. Despite that we have the bearish wedge, you can see kind of the wedge consolidation. Overall price action doesn't exclude the chance that we will get this fast upward breakout. So in the current circumstances, it's a bit risky trying to take the short position right here. So maybe market could show the breakout and starting downward retracement right from there, but it's too much risk stands with it. So first of all, too small retracement on Friday, fast reversal on Monday. This is not corresponds to idea of the classical retracement after the bullish reversals. Usually it takes the classical shape, price develops very obviously. So in the current circumstance, we have a bit different action. And although potentially it could be downward breakout here, but I would not take in the short position right from here just because of the risk. So because risk exists that market really could jump right to this area. And I would better consider the possible taking the short position if you still would like to play on a retracement. It would be much safer to take the position when you have the strong confidence resistance agreement overbought right on your back. And that is much safer to sell right from here as a possible downward action than trying to catch the short position inside of this wedge, hoping this will be collapse. So that's what we have currently on the Great British Pound. So in general, the strategies that we have discussed stands the same. We still consider the possible retracement, but recent price action makes us think that it could be a bit later. So not right from this moment, but once it will be reached this area. It will happen, but probably a bit later. So that's the moments that we will keep an eye on. Our trading plan is waiting for reaching of the COP and confidence resistance, then consider possible bearish patterns here with a chance to go short with a tactical short-term bearish trade. If somehow still we will get the breakout out from this level, out from this pattern, from this wedge, this market starts dropping. So here we need to keep an eye on the possible bearish patterns as well. So maybe, I don't know, some kind of the hand shoulders will be formed or something of that sort. Then we'll keep watching for possible A, B, C, D patterns, searching chance to go long. So as we have suggested in our weekly report, that if market will show the retracement, as the retracement will be done, we will be watching for taking the long position because it corresponds to the short-term fundamental background that we have on the Great British Pound.